All right, I'm ready on Taylor. This is case number 25448421. The People versus Janiqua Ella hyphen something starts with a L.A. Taylor. Defendant is charged with 1 count of stalking. Today is the date set for final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Delisha Coleman on behalf of the City of Detroit. Ms. Fuller, please unmute and state your name for the record.
Savannah Fuller.
And who is Ms. Fuller, Ms. Taylor, for the record?
I'm sorry, the complaining witness on this matter being present and previously appearing, Ms. Savannah Fuller.
Ms. Stevenson?
Thank you, Your Honor. For the record, Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Ms. Janiqua Taylor. Ms. Taylor, ma'am, please unmute and say your first, your middle, and your last names.
Janiqua Ella Lashar Taylor.
Ms. Stevenson, how are you proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Taylor and I have had the opportunity to thoroughly discuss this matter. At this time, it is my understanding that Ms. Taylor does wish to avail herself of an offer from the people. She would waive her rights incident to trial, having had the opportunity to review with me an advice of rights form and offer the court a plea of guilty to 1 count of attempted stalking, Your Honor.
Ms. Taylor Coleman?
That is my understanding, yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Taylor Coleman, I can't have your understanding. Do you agree?
Yes, that I agree, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Ms. Taylor, your lawyer indicates that you want to accept the people's offer and enter into a plea of guilty to 1 count of attempted stalking. Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
I'm going to share my screen, and on it will appear a constitutional rights form. Have you had an opportunity to review for yourself or to go over with your lawyer your constitutional rights?
Yes. I don't see nothing on the screen, but yes.
Because I didn't share it yet, ma'am. I said I'm going to share my screen.
Okay.
Okay. And when you reviewed your constitutional rights with your lawyer, did you understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand that you have a right, that this is a misdemeanor, that this is a misdemeanor, and therefore you have a right to a trial? However, if I accept this plea from you today, drawing your attention to number 6, you are giving up your right to a trial.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you in any way or promised you anything that was not placed on the record today to get you to enter into this plea and give up your right to a trial?
No.
Drawing your attention to number 8, are you currently on probation or parole?
No.
Drawing your attention to number 11, do you understand that by entering into this voluntary plea, a
guilty plea for attempted stalking, this case has certainly taken a turn. Ms. Taylor is making a significant decision by waiving her right to a trial, and the legal consequences of this decision are critical. By pleading guilty, she's giving up the right to contest the charge and the possibility of an appeal. But what led to this plea? Is it a strategic move by the defense, or is Ms. Taylor hoping for a more lenient sentence? The stakes are high, and things are about to get real.
You may be giving up your right to an automatic appeal, and if you were to change your mind about the plea, you would either have to request permission of this court to set aside the plea or request permission of the circuit court to appeal the conviction.
Yes.
With that understanding, do you still want to give up your right to a trial and enter into this voluntary plea?
Yes.
Raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You may put your hand down. Ms. Stevenson.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Taylor, between the dates of May 18th, 2024 and May 24th of 2024. Were you present at 10334 Violet Lawn Street in the city of Detroit in Wayne County, Michigan?
Wrong address.
Sorry about that. I apologize for that, Your Honor. Let me just 1 second. I was stand corrected. You at 15001 Washburn in the city of Detroit in Wayne County, Michigan.
Correct.
Thank you. And from that location, did you attempt to engage in a willful course of conduct involving repeated harassment of Savannah Fuller, believing that such conduct did cause Savannah Fuller to feel harassed?
Correct.
Now, the court dives into the specifics of the case. We're hearing about the events leading up to the stalking charge. The details of the alleged harassment are being carefully considered by both parties. But let's think for a moment. Stalking cases are not black and white. They often involve complex emotions, and sometimes what one person sees as harassment, the other might consider a misguided expression of affection. With the guilty plea, how much weight will the court give to Ms. Taylor's history, intentions, and remorse?
Correct.
That's yes or no, ma'am. Did you do that? Thank you. With that, Your Honor, defense is satisfied.
Are the people satisfied?
People are satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
The court is satisfied. And I will accept a guilty plea to 1 count of attempted stalking. Give me 1 second. Mr. Flanagan, I'm calling you.
Okay.
Having accepted the guilty plea, the court is going to set the matter for sentencing. Court sets this matter for sentencing. Mr. Flanagan, do I have any sentencings on October 30th?
No, Your Honor.
Court sets the matter for sentencing October the 30th at 9:00 a.m. Prior to sentencing, I want Ms. Taylor to submit to a pre-sentence investigation through the probation department. They are going to contact you by phone if they cannot reach you. They are going to leave you a message and mail you a letter directing you to contact them. Make sure you do so that I can have a proper pre-sentence investigation on the date of your sentencing. Ms. Fuller, you have a right to be present at sentencing and give a victim impact statement if you want. You have a right to be present and don't give any statement. And probation will most likely try to contact you as well. And you can give them a statement or you don't have to. It's up to you, but either way.
And there we have it, a guilty plea accepted, and the case moves forward toward sentencing. The court is taking every precaution to ensure that the details are correct, setting up pre-sentence investigations, and reminding everyone of the process ahead. For Ms. Taylor, the consequences are looming, and her future is in the hands of the court. If you found this courtroom drama as gripping as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns of high-stakes cases.
You are, of course, welcome to attend the sentencing date. Anything further on behalf of the people?
Nothing further on behalf of the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
And on behalf of the defense?
On behalf of Ms. Taylor, Your Honor, we will be forwarding her contact information to Mr. Clerk. Ms. Taylor has been advised that she should contact the 36th District Court Probation Department if she doesn't hear from them regarding the pre-sentence investigation by October 16th, unless the court wants me to move that
I
forward.
want you to move it forward.
Okay. The 9th,
By the 13th.
the 13th, okay. We'll take care of that, Your Honor. With that, we'd have nothing further and thank the court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome, everyone. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Stevenson, join me in the breakout room with breakout room number 1 with Ms. Warfield.
Yes.
The person identified as Ashley Severson, please start your camera. Don't start your camera. You can't. Please state your name. Unmute and state your name.
Ashley Saberson,
And ma'am, are you a witness on behalf of the people?
complaining witness, yes, for Michael Stinson.
Or say that again, I'm sorry.
The case for Michael Stinson.
Oh, I see it right here. Yes, ma'am. All right, I'll send you to the breakout room. The prosecutor will come in.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, Your Honor.
I will send you to the breakout room and the prosecutor will be in to speak with you shortly.
Uh-oh.
All right, and I'll be right back.
Taylor Combs in there.
I'm sorry, Judge, I dipped out too early. Was that
That was for the best.
okay? Okay.
That was for the best. All right, I'm ready on you all help me. Who's on my front row? Is that Bell?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm ready on Bell. And then I'm ready on, I was going to send some of these people away. Let's see. We agree that Daquan, nope, where is it? That's not on my doc. Oh, yes, it is. They're in custody. Let me tell him, hold on.
Yeah, they should have been locking them on.
Yeah,
Let me call.
they do what they want to do at the jail. Let me just let this person know. And then, what about Knight? Do we agree that Knighton is not present? Do we agree or disagree?
Not here, but
I don't know what your butt means, Ms. Steve. I'm the complaining witness is here, and I don't know what your butt means. Can let me see. Can Mr. Atik, can you start your camera?
Yes. I started the conversation. No, go back. Should be in here. Oh, right here. There you go.
All right.
Yeah, to your face.
Mr. Atik,
Yes.
you are the witness on the Raekwon Watts. It is
I'm the victim, not witness.
hold on. It's 10:15 and Mr. Watts has not been brought on yet. He's in jail. So I know that you were at work. Ms. Stevenson, but Mr. Atik, you have a right to be present when the case is called. So I'm going to give you a choice right now. You can keep waiting for the jail to come, or we can acknowledge that you are here. I can let you go and the prosecutor can call you after court. What do you want?
Yes. Let prosecutor call me after the court. Yes.
Okay, we'll call you because we don't know when the jail is gonna come. We don't have any control over that.
Okay.
All right, the prosecutor will call you after court. Ms. Stevenson,
Okay.
You acknowledge the presence of the complaining witness on Watts.
I do. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, then, sir, you're all set. You have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right. And then I feel like I had another complainant. Oh, do we agree that Stinson isn't present?
Yes.
And then what about, oh, and Knighton? We agree that Stinson and Knighton are not present. We agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Sampson, you are the complete witness as it relates to a matter involving Mr. Knighton, correct?
Yes.
And it is 10:17. Mr. Knighton has not yet, ma'am, can you please be stationary for me?
My apologies.
Mr. Knighton has not appeared. You can continue to wait, because I'm not going to capias him, issue a warrant for him until the end of my docket. If you want to keep waiting, you can. If not, the prosecutor can contact you. The matter is scheduled for trial. Let me see. When is Mr. Knighton's trial?
October 14th.
The matter is currently scheduled for October 14th. However, if Mr. Knighton does not come, that jury trial is going to go away from the docket. Okay, so you can continue to wait, or Mr. Hill or Miss Taylor Coleman can contact you after the court to let you know. What do you want to do?
May I ask a question?
Um,
Is he still incarcerated?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll leave and wait to hear from someone.
Okay, so they will contact you and let you know what happened if he came. If he's in custody, that could be why he's not on yet. The jail hasn't come on yet.
Okay. And then if that goes away from the docket, that means the case is dismissed, or
No, ma'am. No. Doesn't mean it's dismissed. It's just going to be in warrant status, and we have to go arrest them and try to get them back in so we can get it on the trial docket again.
Okay, understood. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Don't be dismissed.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set then. You have a great day. They'll call you.
Okay, thank you, and you as
All
well.
right. Okay, thank you. Ms. Saverson, can you start your camera, please? All right, so this, Ms. Saverson, I don't know if you just heard me with with the other witness, but you are the witness on a matter involving Mr. Stinson.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is 10:19. Mr. Stinson has not yet logged in. Mr. Stinson, you all are on the docket for that same day. So one of the cases wasn't gonna go anyway. I don't know which one, but Mr. Stinson, this one is the first in priority on that day. So Stinson was gonna go. You can continue to wait and see if he shows up. I'm not gonna issue a warrant until the end of my docket. And I do have several matters, or you can leave and the prosecutor can contact you. What do you want to do?
I will choose to wait.
To wait? Okay, so I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room, and hopefully Mr. Stinson is gonna come, because his lawyer is gonna reach out to him, and then he gonna say he overslept or something. All right, so we'll see, but I'll put you back in the waiting room. And I just didn't want you to think we forgot about you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.